Him's a dancer, him's a dancer, look at him dance, look at him dance. That dancing's hard, Daddy. Dance, 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 we dance, 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 dance. I'm a kitty cat. Hadar's looking up GoPro stuff. Look at this animal, look! What is it? What is it? Kitty. It's a kitty? It's a kitty? It's a kitty? That's a kitty?
He refers to the animal kingdom as kitty. It shall be known as kitty. Kitty!
Yeah, that's such a pretty kitty.
Oh, yeah.
Up. Got to get a better look at that kitty. So I don't know. Let me look at that nose again. You are up. He wants down. He keeps saying up when he wants down.
Like he says kitty for a horse.
Yeah.
Look at him trying though.
They ain't even close to a kitty. You gonna have to learn what a Zeus is.
Zeus.
A Zeus. A Zeus?
Zeus.
Zeus. Zeus is get out of here.
Zeus.
Zeus. Well, say the words because they all sound alike.
Zeus. Zeus.
Zeus and Zeus.
Zeus people, Zeus. Get out of here, horsey. Is that entertaining? It's not fake.
2 fake pockets and a fake zipper.
I can fit nothing in here.
Not even a key.
And this isn't fake. This is a little pocket.
Is it?
Yeah. This is fake.
Yeah, you had good shirts.
I don't have any shirts.
That's a good shirt. Yeah, you don't have any 2 drawers of shirts. 1 closet full of hanging shirts.
We are gonna go through my one.
No, because then you'll throw them away.
Yeah, we are.
And I don't throw your stuff away.
When I say we're gonna go through it, I mean you're gonna film it. We're gonna go through it, and you can see how many shirts I got and how many shirts are over 5 years old. His reality changed because he doesn't like being upside down or heights anymore.
Oh yeah. He realized it's dangerous.
Okay now.
It's dangerous.
He used to love it.
It's dangerous, Dad.
Feel his heart.
No, he broke my
Feel his heart.
Not so wild.
It wasn't wild. He makes it wild. I don't do that.
Whee! Oh, he don't like it.
He used to. Just a month ago.
He don't like it.
He would love it. He would.
Down, 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 down.
I got him. Don't worry about it.
Down.
Rafa.
Get away from you.
He loved it. What changed?
Get away from you.
What changed, boy? I think you became like me.
Changed in my brain. Now I'm scared of heights like my daddy.
Why would you like it in the first place?
You did a really good job going down that mountain, honey.
You can't even see how downhill that is.
It was straight downhill.
Yeah. Kitty's been a little wild. She tries to drink my water. Saw her right here on this couch's arm. Here. Mm-hmm. And my cup was there. I was over there doing laundry. Mm-hmm. And I hear a clunk, clunk, clunk.
Knocked my glass over.
She knocked my mason jar cup over with water in it. So then she got the kitty hose, so to speak.
Kitty hose.
When I walked in the kitchen, she went meow, 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 non-stop. So I let her out. And she goes,
segregation.
She goes like that. The bird.
Open it, he said.
Oh. Technology. What's this? Oh. Have you seen the footage of Rafael going like this? He screams, yells. His face goes.
You get it?
Very excited.
Up. Oh. Wow! It's hot. It's hot today. What's the temperature on there?
Here, 22 Celsius.
22 Celsius.
Here.
It's pretty hot.
Right now, we're gonna go to a tool shop real quick. My mom and stepdad are there. We're gonna meet up with them. We're gonna go to the health food store because they don't have a family-like little health food store like we do here.
Rafael. World of Paint. Only hardware shop that has decent stuff in it. This is a parking lot we're trying to get out of. And yes, it is always crazy here. Very dangerous because everybody just pulls right out in front of you. Honey, look at the soldiers with the guns. Yeah.
That's a major. See what he has, the purple thing sticking in his barrel?
Yeah.
So you don't load it.
So you don't load it?
By accident.
Oh, I see. Neat. This is without gluten. These are cookies. Look how pretty those are. This is flavored halva. This is what Hadar buys me for treat. Because it doesn't have any sugar in it. I think I got that backwards too. Yeah. So it's without something sugar. Sukar. Sugar-free pure marzipan. Wow. And they use maltitol to sweeten it. Here's all the dried bulk stuff. Only 15 shekels, which is like probably $3 for this pineapple. Pineapple is like gold here, it's so expensive. So this is pretty cheap in my opinion. Without sugar too. About the same prices you would pay on Amazon for goji berries. And these are very good, especially with dark chocolate. And I don't like dark chocolate that well. Oh my goodness, macadamia nuts. This is 20 shekels. I could eat this whole thing in just 2 minutes. This is pastori. I think so. I think this is pastori. Oh, no it's not. This is pastori. The other one was the meat restaurant. I don't know what that was. Pastori. This is a promenade. What is this for? Nothing? Oh, this is where you park your bikes at. Okay. Woohoo! This is the promenade. Kind of like the boardwalk, I guess. It's the anchor. The boat's coming in. This is a little bay. Some kind of weird looking dog is. Looks kind of like greyhound, but smaller and different colored. You got 4 of them. They look real skinny. Yeah, you read the menu. You know what you want? Want it all. Hey.
I think I got this. I think I got.
See, we got
Conta só a tua história.
carrot
Aí eu
and
contei só a minha
spinach.
história, não falei nada, quem ele é,
And pepper.
Aí isso aqui que ela me disse, fala uma fita.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Ai, você é uma
Uh-oh.
באמת, או...
Uh-oh.
באמת.
How?
תסתכלי על היד שלו.
Hold on a
Remember
minute.
this?
Did you have fun? Did you have fun? I'm gonna get you. Woo! You can't hold on to your eyeballs. Watch it plant. Crashing into plants.
My cheek. Hey. That's bad. I got you now. I got you now. Ding, 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 ding. I feel his jaw on my
All right, we're heading home. Had a great time. Out to eat. Did you have a good time?
Yeah.
Now we're tired, but they're coming over
For a while.
to hang out. Yeah, we're going to show them some videos. Hate and spite met, and they figured out they didn't get along too well. What do you think?
Kitty.
Hate and spite?
You should have seen that cat. Look at it. Look at the cat.
Where?
Oh, you're short. Look at this cat.
Oh.
I said, Kitty. Stop.
The kitty broke my mason jar drinking glass. So she is in time out. They're going to talk to each other through the door. No. No. Shut it. Thank you. Hey, Daddy.
Daddy.
So, Mom, I need you to send me another mason jar with a handle. If you find one. 32-ounce big un. Stupid cat.
Stinking cat.
Stinking cat. No, leave that alone. Bleh.
That don't scare him.
They were talking through the door together.
Rafael? Rafael? Oh, I think you pooped. Go ahead and do it.
Oh, great. Okay, bye. Alright, we got purple pasta for the baby. What it is black rice pasta with white rice pasta. So it made it purple. And some chicken, but I forgot and didn't cut this up very well, so I'm just pinching it.
Purple. Have a good time. That's mine.
Oh no, there's bombs. There's bombs out there.
It's not a bomb, it's terrorists.
Yeah.
That's what we hear. And that's scary at night. Andrea ran out of bed. I said it's fine.
No, because there's lights blinking. And then the explosion. And then the woo. That's not good.
Well, let me tell you something. When you hear a siren like that going woo in the middle of the night, you get scared.
Yeah. Honey, they're all going to the bomb shelter. 2 explosions iron domed. No one hurt. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. My ring with my diamonds is gone. I got about 3 pounds of cat hair from everywhere. Cleaned underneath of that table. That ruined my life.
And fell on the ring. Now, take it easy. That's the rule. No, I'm stressed. Stressed. Take it easy. Bye.